Hello everyone, this is the fourth video of this demo, and in this video I will show you how the database can help you convert documents between different formats, for example, from PDF to Word documents. I'm still working with the same PDF file I imported here, and I'm looking at the chunks here. So I have the first chunk being labeled, and I have defined the tokens and the lines and so on. This is the markdown format of the chunk, and you have seen this in the previous videos. Let's go back to the vectors and to show you how this will look like. I'm going to check the metadata for this quality of service management in this document, and I'm going to use the convert function here in this Apex, nice looking Oracle Apex Application Express application to convert this document to a Word document from PDF. This is the original PDF you see here on my screen. I have it open in my browser, in my PDF reader. And this is going to take a few seconds. And now the document has been converted. It has been converted and saved into the Oracle Object Storage location in my cloud. So you can go here to the upload. It will have the same name as the PDF, but with the Word document extension at the end. And the size, it's a little bit smaller because Word document now are also compressed like PDFs. It has been created just today, 1 hour after I imported the first PDF for this demo series. And I can download the Word document on my disk, save it in my downloads folder, and let's see how the Word document looks like and compare it with the PDF. This is my Microsoft Word application, and I have the dark mode on my laptop because of the eyes. I cannot see in bright light very well. So you can see here, this is the Word document in Microsoft Word. I can enable editing. Let me show you enable editing here on my Microsoft Word. So you can see the entire document with all the information that I have in the PDF. You can see this is the table of contents, this is the index. And my computer is not that fast. In my laptop, I have a very a simple laptop. You can see here the introduction and images, and this is exactly the same content I have in my, let me go back into my PDF. You can see here, this is the introduction, make it smaller. So it was introduction, and then I had this image, and then I have this architecture of the quality of service management. So you can see it looks pretty the same as it's exactly the PDF converted to a Word document. I can edit, I can save on my computer, and I can work. And this has been done by the database, which is working with the Adobe PDF services online, because we are now multi-cloud. We can connect with other services anywhere in other clouds, and we can do all kind of stuff to process the data and get data from any other locations like Google, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure. Any cloud you have out there can be used by Oracle Autonomous Database to retrieve information and to be processed and to be used in a nicely looking repository you can create for your data. This is the data you have in the documents. In order to have this document processed by the same database, now I can go to my docs and I can import this Word document that has been saved by my Apex application into my database as a binary object. To be able to process it, I can read it and I can extract the data exactly as from my PDF file. You can see here I have the Word document and I have the PDF. They are actually the same document, but in different formats. but I would just want to see the compare how they look like and how they are vectorized by the same application and by the same AI engine I'm using here. So I'm going to use the same embedding large language model to embed this quality of service management paper in doc format. It's going to take a few seconds. So now the information has been processed by my large language model in the AI capabilities of Oracle 23 AI. This is a 23 AI autonomous database, by the way. And I also have 18 vectors exactly like in my PDF document. And I can check the vector contents to see exactly how the information is retrieved by default from a Word document. You can see here, I have, let me see if I can open in a new tab, the PDF and the Word and make a comparison between the vectors I have in the PDF. So this is the PDF I'm showing you right now. This is you can see here the PDF on the top of the screen. And this is the chunk, the first chunk. And these are the tokens and the lines and the labels. This is the Word document. I don't have lines because I didn't extract the lines. I don't have labels because I'm not using the Oracle text thesaurus this is not by the thesaurus. This is extracted by the markdown labels, line labeling. And I have tokens. So here, the Oracle text thesaurus has identified a database and rack. And this is the word. And in the PDF, you have performance, database, and rack identified as tokens. So you can see that processing of the information can be a little bit different by the same database engine, depending on the format of the document. Let's go back to the document to perform the markdown on the document. So my vectors are now using the markdown format. So the information I extracted from the Word document is in a markdown format code now, and I also extract the lines from those chunks from the markdown blocks. And I have 274 lines in the Word document. So you can see there are some small differences. For example, in the PDF, I have 270 lines, and in the document, I have 274. You can see here the original has been identified by my application. This is the PDF, which is the original one. And let's see now the comparison between the doc format chunks and the PDF format chunks. Well, this is just as an idea-based comparison. You can see here the formatting, the markdown formatting from the Word document is a little bit different from the markdown formatting because the AI, based on how the vision is applied, I think, on the document and exactly how the document looks to the AI engine in a different way, will basically format the document, but the content of the document is exactly the same. So this is the short demo I wanted to show you. Stay tuned for more capabilities about Oracle Autonomous Database and Oracle 23 AI new features in the vector space. My name is Valentin Ortavacaru, and I'm a product manager for Oracle and Oracle Database. And thank you very much for watching.